How to stop Spotify from adding songs to your playlist. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login, and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open Spotify. Click on your library at the bottom, and then click on your playlist that you have created. So I have added 5 songs to this playlist, and as you can see under We Added, Spotify has added its own songs. Now when you shuffle the songs, it will play the songs that you have added as well as the songs that the Spotify has added as well. So Spotify will only do this if you have less than 15 songs in your playlist. So to stop Spotify from adding songs to your playlist, you have to add your own songs and make it at least 15 songs. To add more songs, click on this plus sign of Add to this playlist. You can search for the specific songs that you want to add, and then click on the plus sign to add it to your playlist. Once you do, you can go back to your playlist, and as you can see, you won't see the We Added section anymore. So on this playlist, it will only be the songs that you have added. So this is how to stop Spotify from adding songs to your playlist. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.